Good afternoon, children. Today is our EVS class and we will be reading the lesson Omana's Journey. So, the very idea of going to our relative's place gives us a sense of excitement. We plan many things like how to spend time at their place and to have fun and to be with our relatives. And suppose it was a train journey, and that too to your grandparents' place, then it would be a real happy moment for you. Now, due to COVID, though there are some restrictions, we are not able to travel much. We plan to eat, what should we eat, what should we wear, and how to spend time with our friends and family members, and what are the games that we need to take with us so that we can play with our brothers or sisters or friends in the train. So this lesson is about Omana. Omana is a small girl and she wants to go to her grandparents' place. So Omana and her best friend Radha, they were very excited because they were going on a train trip to Kerala. They were actually staying in Gujarat. So from Gujarat, they were going to Kerala. Omana was going to her grandmother's house and Radha was going with her family for a holiday. So only Omana's grandmother, she was staying at Kerala. So Omana is going to visit her grandmother's place and Radha was going for a holiday. So Umana's father, what did he do? He went to buy the train tickets for both the families, that is Umana's family as well as Radha's family. And just before the journey, Radha fell down from the bicycle and she got her leg fractured, and the doctor said that she cannot go out for 6 weeks. So Radha's family, they cancelled the ticket, and the two friends, they planned a lot that what they are going to do in the train and after going to Kerala to play over there. And now that Radha's leg got fractured, now both of them were quite disappointed that they cannot have all the fun which they planned. Now this is the India map and Gujarat is here. So from Gujarat, they were going to Kerala. Yes, Kerala. So I have drawn on the map within just 1 minute, or rather less than 1 minute, but it would take nearly 2 to 3 days to travel in the train from Gujarat to Kerala. Now, Omana's family, they purchased the ticket and now their journey was fixed. Umana's father, he purchased the tickets going to the railway station. But now, as you all know, it is online. And on the online, you have IRCTC. On that, you have to just enter from where you want to travel to what is the destination, and you have to give the date, and then you have and the preferred train, and you have to just click on book now. Then you have to fill the traveler details, like how many adults are traveling and how many children are traveling, that is who are the persons who are traveling and all their details. And you have to choose a payment method, and after doing that, then if your ticket is booked, it shows it is booked, so you can take the printout. That is the procedure that we are following now. But before it was not like that. We had to go to railway station. You had to take the form, fill the form and give it. So Omana's family, they reached the station, and the station was very crowded, and in the railway station they were announcing the train which they had to get into. So according to that, they reached on that platform, and they checked their names on the reservation chart. So this is the train, and on this is the reservation chart. So you have to check whether your name is there on the reservation chart. So this is the railway platform, and nowadays they are giving what is the train which is entering that platform, the number of the serial number of the train, and the coach. Okay, according to the ticket you are having, and in that ticket it is clearly given like which coach is it. So you have to wait in that particular area, and then get into the train. Like this is the ticket. So this is the serial number, and here is the how many adults are traveling. Only one adult is given here. Or how many children are traveling. You have to, when you mention, they just give the print, so it is given in the print. So only one adult is traveling here. And then what is the cost, and then what is the coach number. Here it is given S3, and what is the seat number. So this is the seat number 19, and the berth, that is whether it is upper berth, middle berth or lower berth. So actually our Indian trains, in our Indian trains, it is like this: lower berth, middle berth and upper berth. So they got into the train and they searched for the seats, and many people also got into the train according to their ticket number. They arranged their luggage. You can see here in this picture how they are sitting in the train, and here children enjoy climbing the upper berth because they have more energy, no? That's why they keep climbing and getting down. So here you can see children enjoying in the upper berth. Then the ticket collector is the person who comes and checks whether we are sitting in our given seats. So he comes and checks. He is also called as TC. You can identify him with his uniform. He wears black coat. Generally he is in white and black. White shirt and black coat. So he is a ticket collector. He comes and checks our ticket, and some people, they try to travel without ticket. So such people are punished with fine, and sometimes even they are put in jail. So some people, they cancel their tickets. So he comes and even checks which tickets are cancelled, and that is his basic job. Now Omana has got her seat near window. We all like to sit near window, right? We want to see outside. We enjoy seeing the scenery outside, especially when we are traveling in the train. Even if it is hot, what we do? Our parents will be telling to close the window, but we are so much excited to see outside that we don't even bother to hear to our parents. So we always stick to the window. So even Omana, she sat near the window, and actually Omana and Radha, they were disappointed, no? That they could not travel together. Then Omana's grandmother gave an idea to Omana that you maintain a diary. After sitting in the train, you write everything, whatever you feel in the diary. After coming back home, you can make you can tell Radha about all the experiences in the train. So she sat near the window and she started writing about her journey. Now, after some time, her amma or her mother opened the tiffin box, and now it was time for her to eat. And when she was sitting near window, she saw that things were just flying. It's not that it's real flying, but when you sit towards the window, you can see here, I have shown in the picture, that you see the objects moving in the opposite direction, especially when the train moves very fast. So they had their lunch and all the people were sleeping, and the train stopped at Valsad station, and the train just stopped for 2 minutes. Even in that 2 minutes, the vendors, they started selling, and it was lot of noise. So one man was shouting chai chai, and other man was shouting batata vada, and others, they were selling different things. So it was a total lively place. And she made some friends in the train, that is Omana made some. So they were Sunil and Anne, and this Sunil and Anne were also going to their grandmother's house in Kozhikode, and Sunil gave some storybooks to read, So now we will learn that there are different people for us to work so that we can travel comfortably. First, the engine driver who drives the train. Next is the ticket collector. Here is a engine driver who runs the train. Here is the ticket collector who collects the ticket and checks whether people are sitting in their place or not. Then we have the booking clerk who gives us the ticket at the booking counter. We have the railway police to check that there are no issues on the railway platform or in the train. We have the guard who waves the red or green flag. When he waves the green flag, the train starts. When he waves the red flag, the train stops. The Safai Karmacharis, the people who clean the place, the platform, the trains, are known as Safai Karmacharis. They also are a part of the railway department. So just imagine we would just eat and throw things, okay, and imagine how dirty the place would be without them. So they are also important part of our journey. Next, the coolie. Coolie is the person who carries our luggage. Suppose we have lot of luggage, we can ask the coolie to carry it. So all these persons help in the smooth journey of railways. Thank you. Hope you understood the lesson, Umana's journey.